Has released several successful albums, including Isikhathi Samakhogi, which went gold 2 months after it was released. His latest offering, Ijele, is one of the songs from the album titled Ispogi Ngaye, and that ushered uKhuzi's listeners into 2021, meaning it was Song of the Year on uKhuzi. And if you grew up in KZN, you know that Song of the Year is the uKhuzi Song of the Year. Welcome to the studio, Inkosi Kamaskandi. So excited to have you here. One of the things that I said just now is that uhlukanisa unyaka on uKhuzi, you know you've made it. What was that moment like for you?
Angifisela omunye umuntu le 10 minutes before ushaw 12
sure
angifisela omunye umuntu kube ngathi awusekho kuwe because usungaze makudlala unumber 3 usungaze uzoba u2 or uzoba u1 so babadlala unumber 1 before unumber 2 so mayingena ayangena isigame kwangathi ngiyahlanya
akabakutshela ukuthi uKhuzani la track yakho is number 1
lutho
lutho
angaze ngayilalela listen to it yathi mayiqala athi how this is me
crazy.
Let's speak about that track
I agree, don't you agree?
I agree, yes. You shout at
Sijele mawushadile doesn't mean ukuthi uyejele. I don't believe ukuthi mele ushintshe impilo yakho phila ngayo mawushadile, because if kunjalo people will be afraid of getting married. So I'm emphasizing that nginikeza abantu message ukuthi mawuze emshadweni you must know that at least we can say uza with freedom. Because ulethe uze ekhaya uzoba imbali enhle uzonakela umndeni uzofudumalisa umndeni. Doesn't mean mawuze ufikile la uzoba isicila uzowashela umuntu ekhaya. Even namadoda as well. Akukho mase ngishadile sengisedele manje. Sure. Mangisho lento le so abantu bayithanda because I balanced. Ikhuluma ngokuthi umuntu wesilisa naye kumele azizwe emukelekile kuze uzobona imshado ibalulekile because siyasabiswa lapha kuthiwa hayi no sasemncane waqala ushade because lapha so ngizama ukusho ukuthi hayi ashade ngisebancane.
I agree. What were you thinking when you were writing that song? Did you think it was going to be the hit that it was, especially as a Maskandi track?
No, mangacabangi ukuthi kuzoba a hit. Mangenza nje ingoma as normal as usual, like njengazo zonke ingoma zami enginazo. But ikuthema iphuma in one day iphumile ngabona abantu all over benza ama video singing this song. Amadoda nawo ngithi kune party lathi kuzongangade ngikanda yabo so amadoda abantu besifazana ama video all over so manje nama radio station aqala manje akhuluma ngale ngoma there is this song ethandwa wonke umuntu so ke nami la ngiqala khona ukuthi ngingabona ukuthi this is a hit song.
Asikhuluma nge-album. Ispoke esingaka. Asingene khandeni nakho kancane nje yami. Why that title first and foremost?
I love it.
No. So abantu mangenza leya title babetshethi ngikhuluma ngenye into lethi ufane masebela le ngoma enye into engikhuluma ngayo.
Ngiyithanda lento leyo ne ijele mara ukhuluma ngothando umshado. Ispoke esingafi mara ukhuluma ngalo.
Noma umculo kumele ube predictable.
Exactly.
Because once abantu bayipredict into ozoyenza automatically ngeke bajabulise. So kumele ubadide kancane ukuthi wow yabo.
Wena ubhala? Okay.
Yes. So mangibhala isipoke esingafi abantu bekhuluma ukuthi mhlawumbe ngikhuluma ngesipokile. Singathi ngikhuluma ngesinye isipoke but ngicela ungayichaza.
Okay.
Please.
All right.
For another show.
But mabelalela bayazi
Lastly, before we go, you obviously love music and you write. What was it about Maskandi that you said, this is how I want to go into the space, this is how I want people to know me? What was it about Ijana, Egenzubuti, Ukulenai?
I'm not sure whether you say why you choose
yes.
Oh, you mean that?
That's exactly it.
Okay. No. Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
So, into engenza ukuthi ngikhethe umculo kaMaskandi, uyazi masikhulele emakhaya, sometimes lento le eyenzakala emakhaya imila kunoma ngubani osuke emakhaya.
Yes.
Kunzima ukuthi ungathola emakhaya uthole umfana ojivayo. So mase emakhaya noma ngasho emakhaya wherever la uzalelwa khona uphila istyle sasala uzalelwe khona.
Yes.
So nami emakhaya umculo lo bebekuculwa endlini emakhaya kuvunywa ingoma. So nami ke nama was the one owa try ngelinye ilanga ukuvumisa endlini. So abantu bathula athi kwenzakalani, so abantu bangincoma. So ngabona nami mangilalela uMaskandi kwakhona abaculi engibathandayo ukubalalela. So nami ke ngase ngiqala yamila lento mina yaphila kumina. Kanti vele ke ngine talent ngiyakwazi ukubhala ingoma enje. Hayi.
So it's from here. I love that. Yeah.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're still going to witness that talent, so please don't you go anywhere because we've got a performance later on in the show. You don't want to miss it. You're not going to jail. It's about love. Anyway, come again.
See you just now.